Okay, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Wii 1911 and 10 rail version. Got it off of Airsoft GI for $60 in the shocker deal. I think it's regularly $110. This is the one magazine version. Anyways, chrono sheet, 327 FPS. Manual, pretty standard. You can actually read it. The box, pretty basic, comes with one mag, standard 15 rounds, black, not the MEU version. The gun, rails, tan, pretty awesome. All the standard features. This is not a 3-hole trigger. I have the MEU version, and the 3-hole trigger is much nicer, I think. I haven't even taken the sticker off yet. Other than that, pretty awesome gun. I'm going to pause this and we're going to shoot it.